Kerala, which is number one in digital literacy today, started its computer learning journey through one institution, a movement that 25 years ago opened the doors of IT education to ordinary men and women who could only until then dream of it. A movement that taught Kerala computers. G-TEC. In the early 2000s, a young man from the famous Manaludi family in Kozhikode, Mr. Maruf Manaludi, had a big dream. A dream where everyone, regardless of caste and religion, gets the best IT education. A dream that changed the lives of millions of students today.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And being a passionate educator into this industry for such a long time, I always believe our students are our brand ambassadors.
A man whom everyone calls Mehrufka with love and respect attributes his success as a popular business magnate to the undeniable support of his wife, Wahida. In 2001, G-TEC was inaugurated by Minister P.J. Joseph and by opening over 234 centers across Kerala, paved the way for Kerala's IT revolution. It's a moment of pride that this Malayali EduTech brand helped provide a successful career to more than 32 lakh students through 813 branches across 23 countries by expanding across India, Singapore and Dubai in just 25 years. G-TEC was also the first Kerala education brand listed in the National Stock Exchange list. Modern curriculum, job fairs ensured international certifications and careers for G-TEC students. G-TEC was the first to introduce courses based on NEP in India. The fact that the Kerala government's Employability Center began from a G-TEC job fair is a matter of great recognition for the institution. The true strength and pride of G-TEC lies in exemplary activities like providing free computer training for thousands of women under the Women Power Scheme and their work in elderly IT education and digital security as well. G-TEC, the great movement begun by their father, is taken up by the next generation leaders, Mishal and Mehna, under whose guidance new international courses in technology like AI, robotics, XR have been initiated to ensure higher global growth. Certainly, the growth of G-TEC in the coming years in the field of highly advanced technological and global education will be driven and guided by them. Student reviews and international awards made G-TEC an iconic brand in IT education. Partnership with global brands like SAP, Microsoft, Tally and Zoho gives strength to G-TEC's growth. Change is the new law of the world. Our foundation is the belief that social change comes by empowering individuals through education. And with this strong foundation, G-TEC enters a new era, improved with a new look and a new identity.